What must be done when a compressed air hose is damaged? Should it be replaced? Can it be repaired? That is what we will find out. First of all, it is important to understand that it's not recommended to leave a damaged air hose on your system. A damaged air hose can lead to serious consequences, such as costly air leaks, but more importantly, it can pose a safety risk to you and your coworkers in an event of an accidental disconnection. You have probably encountered situations like this before. When a hose is damaged, in many cases, it is possible to repair it, but you still need to know how to repair it correctly. Here are 3 repair options available to you. Scenario 1. Damaged hose ends. To repair a hose that is damaged at one end, cut the damaged section off with a knife or a pipe cutter. Once the hose is cut, insert a hose barb fitting of the same size as the inside diameter of the hose. Then take a hose clamp having a diameter larger than the outside diameter of the hose. You can use a hose clamp, simply take a screwdriver and tighten the screw. You can also use 2-ear hose clamp. You will also need crimping pincers to compress the 2 ears. The advantage of this type of clamp is that it is much easier and safer to work with, since there are no protruding metal tips, which eliminates the risk of injury. Scenario 2. Hose damage in the center. To repair a hose that is damaged at any point other than the end, cut off the damaged area with a knife or a pipe cutter. Use a hose barb splicer of the same size as the inside diameter of the pipe. This time, take 2 hose clamps of a larger diameter than the outside diameter of the hose and install them according to their clamp type as shown earlier. Scenario 3. Damaged non-crimping hose. A non-crimping hose is visually identified by the lock-on or push-on labeling on the hose jacket. Its unique cross-braiding clings firmly to the barb without the need of a clamp. In addition, the fitting has a distinctive brass ring with 2 or 3 barbs. To repair this type of hose, cut off the damaged section like in the other 2 examples. You can reuse the old hose barb fitting. Simply cut the hose with a knife, taking care not to scratch the barb. Then insert the refurbished ends into the fitting or coupling. The crimpless hose requires no clamps and has no metal protrusions. It is very safe to work with and eliminates the risk of scratches. That is why it is a favorite in body shops.